Hello guys, today I'm excited to introduce our new 15-ton loader, XC9150, the largest addition to XCMG's lineup of super large loaders. Following the success of the 9350, China's largest tonnage loader in 2020, XCMG proudly presents another remarkable product. Let's take a closer look at this big guy. The XC9150 has an impressive overall weight of 55 tons and at a rated load capacity of up to 15 tons, with a maximum breakout force of 370 kN. It's equipped with the standard 7.7 cubic meter bucket, perfectly matched with 35 to 70 ton mining trucks. This makes it ideal for large-scale open-pit mining, transportation and loading operations, offering high reliability and low maintenance costs. Compared with traditional hydraulic drive loaders, the XC9150 provides significant advantages. It saves over 20% of fuel consumption and increases operational efficiency by more than 15%. The XC9150 features a robust structure built with low-temperature, high-strength structural steel. Key stress-bearing parts are made from high-strength cast steel, enabling it to withstand torque and impact in harsh working conditions. Its powerful appearance matches its reliable performance. When it comes to maintenance, the XC9150 makes your job easier. It has multiple small doors on both sides of the hood that can be easily opened. The small doors can be fully opened to provide you with ample maintenance space for your daily upkeep. Furthermore, it has a driver-centric cockpit design to offer a luxurious driving experience. The electric handle steering ensures precise control while providing enhanced comfort for the driver. Take a look at the LCD screen. The dashboard here displays the vehicle running data and various information at a glance. We have also equipped with the 360 panoramic view reversing camera system, minimizing blinding spots. We prioritize your safety and strive to provide you with the most secure driving experience, just as you would expect parking your car in your garage. In terms of energy efficiency, the XC9150 utilizes one-pedal mode, allows the machine to a complete stop without using the mechanical brake, while also recovering some energy. With its exceptional performance, user-friendly maintenance features, luxurious cabin, and advanced safety systems, the XC9150 is truly a game changer of super large loaders. Thank you for joining us today to discover the remarkable XC9150. For more information and to experience its power firsthand, please contact XCMG. XCMG, solely to succeed.